Hello students, how are you beta? Hope you all are fit and fine. So students, today we are going to read next half of the chapter number 3 of PB, that is determiners. So let's start with the next half beta. Yes students, as you know that this, that, these are demonstrative pronouns and used for the singular. Okay, this and that used for the singular, and these and those it's used for the plural. This, that, these and those. Yes beta, these are called demonstrative pronouns, as you know beta. Now we have done articles also. Yes, so let's revise. Use of a or an. Let's start with a. Use a when the noun begins with a consonant sound. Okay, remember this thing beta. When the noun begins with a consonant sound, we use article a. For example, a bag, a cat, a kite. Okay, and when the vowel u sounds like y-o-u, like y, okay, then we use a, like a university, a utensil. Okay, remember this thing better. When the vowel u sounds like y-o-u-u, then you use a. Okay, now let's take an. Use an when the noun begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an umbrella. Okay. Now when the consonant H is silent. When beta H letter is silent, then we use an. Like an hour, an honor, an honorable. Okay. Now let's see the. For a specific item, use the for a specific item. That is the umbrella in the bag, the cat in the tree. So, dear students, let's move on to the worksheet number 3. Okay. Complete the following sets of dialogues by inserting the articles a, an or the. And the first one has been done for you. So let's start with the first part beta. Is there an air conditioner in this room? Is there an air conditioner? First time vowel sound we used an air conditioner. Okay, let's see part B beta. Yes, the air conditioner is on the wall under that window. But second time students, see here, yes, the air conditioner. We used here the. Why? Because it's the repetition of the same air conditioner, so we use the word, the article the. Okay, let's move on. Did you buy anything? Yes, I bought a hat and a scarf. The hat cost me $10 and the scarf 12. Third part. There is a fly. There is a fly on his bound. Let him drive the fly away. Okay, it's clear beta. Now, let's move on to the next one. Mom, I have finished my letter to Sahil. Do you have a stamp and an envelope? Sure. Here is the stamp. And there are some envelopes in the drawer of my table. So dear students, now remember that is the is definite article, and whereas a or an, these are indefinite article, and it is used when you talk about something for the second time in the same context. Okay, the is the definite article and it is used when you talk about something for the second time in the same context. Now remember this main point beta. Demonstratives like this, that, these and those when used alone are called demonstrative pronouns. Okay, when they used alone they are called demonstrative pronouns, and when this, that, these and those are placed before a noun, when they placed before a noun, then they are called determiners. Okay, so let's move on. Worksheet number 4. Okay, DAV Public School organized an exhibition in the school, and it was a class display of projects, models, charts and files made by students. Mrs. Balsubramaniam's class bagged the best class trophy. She is now winding up her work and returning the materials to the students of her class. Now students, what you have to do, rewrite the instructions. Okay, rewrite the instructions using determiners. Which determiners? Like this, that, these and those, to make better sentences. Okay, and the first one is done for you. Let's see first one, beta. This is Madhuri's calculator. This is Madhuri's calculator. Now, how to rewrite this sentence, beta? This calculator is Madhuri's. This calculator is Madhuri's. Let's move on to the next one, beta. That is Arunima's box. So, how to write now, beta? That box is Arunima's. Okay. Then these are Rohan's books. So these books are Rohan's. Okay, it's clear, beta? Now let's move on to the fourth one. These are Srishti's charts. So these charts are Srishti's. Clear, beta? Now remaining part, try to do yourself. I think it's clear to you, beta. Do it yourself, remaining part. Now let's read worksheet number 5 and see where the articles are, different articles are used here. Okay. You have read the extract, The Collectors, in the unit Hobbies of my English Reader, class 6. Look at the use of the articles in the following. Here with the collectors, we have used the article the. With the pages, we use article the. With stamps, we use article the. Containers, the. Shelves, the. Envelopes, the. And with a large book, it's a singular, a large book, a collector, a packet, a cupboard, a box. So these are some examples of articles, beta. Now let's see next part, beta. Let's move on to the next part, beta. In the sentences given below, an article is missing in each line. Put a slash where you think it is missing and write the article in the space provided. Okay, the first one has been done for you. Yes, student, first of all, let's see what's a slash. Slash is a sign, beta, where the word is missing. We have to put a slash and write down the word which should come there. Okay, like example, Ram is a boy. It's a complete sentence. If we say Ram a boy and full stop last, then is it correct? Yes or no? Surely no. So what's missing? Ram is. Helping verb is missing. Ram is a boy. So in the sentence, wherever any word is missing, we should put a slash there and write down the word. Okay, and then make it complete sentence. But before doing this exercise, beta, let's remember something which are very important. That is a and an. A and an. Okay, these are called indefinite articles, where the is called definite article. Let's see first part. A countable noun used in the singular takes a or an before it, and an uncountable noun cannot be used in the plural. Uncountable noun like rice, milk. Can you count, beta? No. So uncountable noun cannot be used in plural. We don't say rices, milks, है ना? So an uncountable noun cannot be used in the plural. And part C, an uncountable noun cannot take a or an before it. So these are some important points, beta, which you should remember while doing this exercise. Let's start with the first sentence. What? Then slash is there. What beautiful card. So it's wrong. A is missing. So what a beautiful card. It's the correct sentence. So a is written wherever the space is provided. Come to next sentence. He finished rice in the plate. So what's missing here? Which article? He finished the rice. Okay. He finished the rice in the plate. Next, see beta, third one. My neighbor has pet dog. My neighbor has pet dog. So what's missing? Which article? My neighbor has a pet dog. Okay, students, I think it's clear to you now how to put the slashes and write down the article there. Insert article. So students, remaining exercise, 4 or 5 sentences are there. Try yourself. Okay, try these exercise yourself and complete up to worksheet number 5 in your books. Okay, thanks and have a nice day, beta.